What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. Hope everyone is having a great day. The weather is just fantastic up here in New Jersey, but I have an issue. This is going to be my weekend warrior project that I'm about to show you, my little DIY project. So let me set the scenario for you. In New Jersey, you are not allowed to pump your own gas. Okay, so I go to the gas station the other day, but first I went to AutoZone. I had some work done on my car. I had the left and right manifold replaced, and I had a new catalytic converter put on as well, because I had a custom exhaust system put on my car and it wouldn't pass inspection. I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and put this original stuff back on and just, get this thing to pass inspection. So anyway, the mechanic told me everything's working great. Make sure you, just before you go, put an engine treatment in, drive the car for about 50 miles, go get it inspected. I'm like, okay, go to AutoZone. I put the gas treatment in the car. Then I go to the gas station to fill up the tank. Pull up the gas station. I, pop the little lever inside the car. Gas cap opens up. The guy starts filling up the tank, right? So then I'm waiting, and I hear him back there fiddling around. And all of a sudden, he comes up to the driver's side. Hey, I can't close the cap. And I'm like, well, what's wrong with it? I don't know. So I get out and I go take a look at it, and I go back, and then he broke it. He broke my gas cap, the piece that you're looking at right now. I'm going to open it up for you in a second. But he broke it, and, I was like, dude, you broke the gas cap. No, I didn't do it. I'm like, then I got ticked off. I was about to take a smack his head off the back of the car, because my thing is, if you did it, so what? It can be replaced. But don't lie to me, to my face, and tell me you didn't do it. That's what ticked me off more than anything. And I was just like, look, dude, you broke it. Just admit to breaking it. You know what? Whatever. We're arguing back and forth. I'm like, look, dude, you're full of crap. Just don't even worry about it. So now I have to take and I have to fix it. I am so sorry for the background noises. I said the weather's beautiful up here, so people are cutting grass and doing everything. So I apologize for the background noise. Now what I did, I opened the fuel door. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. Now there's two pins. You have one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, and if you're not careful, let me see if I can show you. What happens is when you take this fuel cap off, sometimes this cord will get caught when you twist the cap around. So when you go to shut the door, it sticks out through the bottom, okay? Hold on, let me twist this on here. Anyway, sometimes it'll stick out through the bottom. And what happened is that cord must have been sticking out through the bottom, and those guys have pay attention. And he goes and he slams the door, and it breaks off. As you can see how it's wiggling around, he breaks off this bottom pin. Now these things are not metal. Why Hyundai did that? These things are plastic. Why not put a metal one on? I have no idea why they put plastic, but that's beside the point. But the guy did break it. As you can see, it's all wobbly. And the replacement for these is $52. And I bought that offline. I didn't get it from the dealer. It's a true Hyundai part, but I bought it offline, okay? So if I was to buy this from the dealer, God only knows how much they would charge me and how much they would charge me to put this thing on. It's a $52 part, and I'm just guessing here, they might charge me between $200 and $250 to actually go to the dealer and get this thing put on. That's a rough estimate, but I think I'm pretty close in the ballpark anyway. So that's what I'm going to replace today. But like I said, it just sucks that people really don't care about your personal property. I'm like, if I'm working on somebody's car or whatever, I act like it's my own. You know what I mean? I take care of it. And these dudes are just careless. And then again, just the lie that you didn't do it when you were the last one to touch it right to my face is just wrong. Like I said, I wanted to take and smack his head right off my rear spoiler, man, as he was looking down at it, because it's just ridiculous. Just don't lie. I hate when people lie. But anyway, that is what my project is today. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you what I'm going to replace it with. This is what it looks like next to the rims, and I apologize. The car is dirty, the rims are dirty, so sorry. But I think it looks pretty good. It's not an exact match, but it's close enough to where it looks decent. Hopefully this works. Hopefully it looks pretty good. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. If I should keep it silver or if I take it off and after it's finished and repaint it. Anyway, I'm gonna get started and I'll show you guys a little bit of the process of getting this thing off and replacing it.